we have another box, and this is another twofer. Two friends went together and mailed their boxes, so we have two bras in here. It came from Vicki Conley, who is currently in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. And Vicki's business is Club Seabreeze. Doesn't that look wonderful? I did not get to the beach very much this season because I missed it, and I really think I would like that. Club Seabreeze, the winds of change. Listen to this quote. No one can go back and make a brand new start, but anyone can start from now and make a brand new ending. I love that. That's from Carl Barra. And Vicki Conley's business is at www.clubseabreeze.net/Vicki or www.csbescapes.com. Thanks, Vicki. Look how pretty it's packaged. Don't you love that? It comes so nice. Ooh, I see shiny. Oh, it's the black and silver. Yes, oh my. This is a very popular color combination this season, black and silver. I think this bra falls under the Simply Bling category, don't you? Simply Bling. Beautiful. Lots of silver and black sequins, and I love the shooting stars on this side. Just gorgeous. This is a Vanessa's Intimate Collection, size 34B. Thank you very much, Vicki Conley of Club Seabreeze. We appreciate your donation, and we will try to let